What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video, it's actually I'm really excited for it because it's gonna change up the look of the car just a little bit. I'm actually looking at it right now. So this is the Type R rear diffuser retrofitted to the Civic Si. And man, is it thick. She's a thick boy. Alright, let me show you. Alright, so check this thing out right here. So, this is how thick it is. And then you got some like flares back here. And that's nothing too big, but the real difference is gonna be on the side because that's where it's gonna give you that girth, baby. It's gonna give you that girth. Woo! Anyways, it comes with some bolts and washers and all that good stuff. And if you want to know where to get this from, you can go to absdynamics.com and you can pick yourself up one. But you gotta be quick. Because they're going away. These are sold out. Well, not sold out yet, but they're gonna be. And I couldn't find them anywhere else. ABS was the only place I can find them, so y'all better go cap you one of them. Yeah, let's get to it. I got a slight problem. I actually don't have an Allen wrench to take the bumper off, so what we're gonna have to do is just jack up the car and just leave the bumper on. So I guess this is a good thing for people that don't want to do all that bumper off type of stuff. So yeah, let me show you the Allen key I'm talking about though. So this is required to come off to take the bumper off, and I do not have that. So we're gonna jack it up. Let's do it. Alright, so if you guys want like a center jack point, you can actually jack it off of this thing right here. That's why I jacked it up off. And it looks fine. Looks like there's no damage. So yeah, you can use that as a center jack point. So first thing you want to do is get this clip off. That clip, that one, and that one. There should be 4. Let's start with that. Heads up, guys. The way I'm taking off these clips, when they're down, I'm taking 2 flathead screwdrivers and I'm just sticking them inside of there, and I'm gonna pop them up like that, going opposite direction. Once you get these 4 clips off, you're gonna have another 4 clips on each side though. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a Phillips head screwdriver you're gonna need to take that out. And once that comes out, this should fall down. I already did it on that side, as you can see. Yeah, so to carefully remove the rear diffuser that is currently on the car, you can see this little tab and then that little hole. So what you're gonna have to do is what I did. I used a little flathead screwdriver and I pushed down on it while pushing out on this to get that to pop out. And I'm just gonna do it on all the clips here. Guys, now is a good time to see the comparison between these two. The more I look at it, the more hype I get. Like, look how thick that is, and look at that. Like, look how much more aggressive it is. Wow. Old, new. So let's put it on. So now we're gonna fit these grooves right into these holes and put it back on. And there's a bunch of them, so just make sure they go in here, click. So once you get it clipped on, you're gonna go back under the car, and they're gonna give you a set of bolts and washers and screws. So what you're gonna do is put a washer on the bolt, tie it in from the outside because that's where the clip originally was, and then put the nut on the bottom. And then go ahead and do that on that side as well. Just like that. Bolt, washer, nut. You get those screws tightened up, just go back and make sure these are all clipped in because I had a couple that weren't clipped in. And yeah, let me show you how it looks. Alright guys, this is how it looks. See? Looks really mean now. Very mean. Imagine that gloss black. I got side skirt and front lip coming in, so hang in there. And this car is coming along pretty good. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button. You smash that subscribe button. You smash that notification button. Just pretty much anything. Smash anything that helps a brother out, alright? But if you didn't, just don't do anything, please. And you know, spread love, not hate. You know how it is. But yeah, car's coming along pretty good. I really like that rear diffuser, especially if I can get the once the Type R side skirts come in and the Type R front splitter comes in, it's gonna look real nice. Now that's all I'm gonna do for exterior. Maybe a wrap later on or something like that. But pretty much done with the exterior on the car. But yeah, so once those come in, there's gonna be another video, and I'm gonna have that review. I promise that review is coming. I'm just waiting on some camera parts so I can properly do it and it'll look good for you guys. I'm not just holding the camera like this, you know. But one more thing, if you guys are interested in any stock parts like the stock rear diffuser, the stock suspension, stock exhaust, just go ahead and DM me on Instagram at Classic Keto, you know. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Have a good one. Spread love, not hate. Peace out.